Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Suchok therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Suchok Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Suchok therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Suchok, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and jog means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. Let's learn today, viewers, how to get rid of dry skin in the places where it's very dry. So because of the dry climate, the hair, skin, nails, lips, everything is becoming very dry. So we take a help of the coconut oil, which is the cold compressed, and do a small massage on the palm area and the fingers. Same thing, we can do it at night to the toes and the full leg area. So once you massage your feet area at night, you cover it well and sleep. Slowly you can see the dryness of the skin becoming much better and very healthy. Take few drops of cold compressed coconut oil in your center of the palm and rub it in your hands nicely so that each and every part of your palm and fingers is having the coconut oil. After that, give a nice massage starting from the thumb area. Now do this massage clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now another 5 times anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take the finger or the thumb and push it outside. Make sure your thumb is on the nail side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the fingertip or the thumb tip and press it with the nail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this way you can massage each and every fingers of both the hands. In the daytime and in the night, you can massage the foot area and the toes. Once you finish the massage of the toes, you can cover it well and sleep. Suchok therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Suchok therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Suchok therapy. Number 2, please do not do Suchok when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Suchok therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Suchok, when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you are doing Suchok therapy. Smile, thanks.